of the community. She is the most unstable element in periodic and non-periodic level of elements. Women never lie about their age. Come on, I mean it's not lying, just an error in calculation. Can happen to anyone. She thinks that the inner beauty is what which means the most. The Botox treatment and no-job are just to help out the poor plastic surgeons who are on verge of being broke. Women have great affinity for gold and diamonds, absorbing many substances. And she is the powerful, money-reducing substance in the world. And the most interesting thing about them is the confusion in what women say and what they mean. Women are never at the loss of words. They love to engage in healthy arguments, whether it is cat fight at school or the ultimate fighting championship in the parliament between female leaders. They have combat training in unleashing the weapons of words. And when men are at the receiving side of these weapons, poor soul has no clue what's going on, trying to listen to the words coming out of their beautiful mouth, combined with reading between lines, and combined with deciphering all the words they are shouting without any reason, makes the conversation with women a mind-challenging exercise. For example, tell me looking fat means tell me I'm pretty. I'm sorry means you'll be sorry. I was wrong means not as wrong as you. Sure, go ahead means don't you ever dare to. We need to communicate means I need to complain. And the most tricky word. Do you know what the day is today? You forgot our 3-week anniversary. And that's okay. It's the most generous assessment women can make. It means she really wants to think long and hard before going to think that when and how you're going to pay for your mistakes. And when you fall in the trap, then be ready. Take out your credit card because you're surely going to be sentenced by a merciless shopping spree. When men ask women, what's wrong? And she says nothing. Then it really means nothing unless you care to listen and give me the opportunity to talk. Of course, there's a dangerous side which is nothing. Do you remember the
लाइब्रेरी रिकॉर्ड ही रहेगी बाद में चलना है पूरा प्रोग्राम.
According to it, when women says nothing is wrong, it means everything is wrong. And the syndrome nothing is just a calm before the avalanche of something. And finally, I would like to conclude this saying that what women say is exactly what they mean. Thank you.
जनाबे वाला, आज इस सरजमीन पर रोजाना लाशें उठते हैं, कभी मजहब के नाम पर तो कभी लिसानी और फिजाई असबियत के नाम पर. हमारे नाम निहाद लीडर मजलूमों और मकतूलों की लाशों पर सियासत समझाते हैं और हमारे मुल्ला कौम को हिस्सों में बांट कर फख्र महसूस करते हैं. नाम निहाद रोशन ख्याली और अमन की आशा के नाम पर लाखों शहीदों की कुर्बानियों का मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है. सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान के नाम पर मुल्क को सहूरी ताकतों के हाथों फरोख्त कर दिया गया और आज इस पाक सरजमीन पर नापाक अमरीकी अज़ाइम का बोलबाला है. हमारा तो मीडिया भी यहूदी और अमरीकी साजिशों के नज़र हो चुका है. पहले साजश और अब तुर्की ड्रामे कौम की माओ की जहनों को दम आलूदा कर रहे हैं और एक माँ ही तो है जो कौम को बनाती है. आज हम सुरक्षित जैसे गाने बजाने के मुकाबले जीत कर फख्र महसूस करते हैं. तो मेरा सवाल है कि क्या ये वही पाक ज़मी है जो पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह के कलमे से हासिल की गई? जी वकार, जब वो अम्न के जान दे के मिले अश्क बन के तुझला पे फिरोजा हो, जब किसी दहकान की घुरे दे पे बबे बंदूक की बर्फ लहराए, जब किसी बाग़े जवानी की लचकती टहनी बम के टुकड़ों से पारा पारा हो, जब ताकत के जंगल में जनता बाजार लगे और सदियों में इंसान की कीमत न बढ़े, जब दिल की धरती दर्द से लबरेज न हो और सर संगीनों से जख्मों का लहू निकले, जब कौनम मका बनाए मुयस्सर न आ जाए, तब तक अल्लाह रब्बुल इज्जत की मदद और रहमत और ये रख्त ही है कि जिसके जरिए हम पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह को सच साबित करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली, न है जिसको ख्याल आप अपनी हालत के बदलने का। शुक्रिया।
Sadia Javed from Punjab Medical College, Faisalabad. The topic of her speech is "It's living that scares me to death."
My country, which was once without distinction of blood and color, is on fire, where blood is sold in the price of water, and ashes of flesh are blown on daughters. Our houses are getting burned. Our lives are getting turned. I only wish, it would not have happened in my time. The deadliest aircraft accident of Air Blue flight killing all 146 passengers. 315 people burned by fire in shoemaking factory of Lahore and a factory of Karachi. Thousands of people infected from dengue. Badami incident. The worst example of barbarism and injustification. Men are amputated, women are raped, and children asking for their families. This is the life that scares me to death. Pain over here, moaning over there. You and cry everywhere. Sorrow, grief, and sad. My life is darker than grave. As grieved as a mournful lamenting poet in his elegies. As striking as those choked to death. When I saw people killed and fought for the reasons, for the crimes they have not committed. Shots fired at Benazir Bhutto. Young Malala, whose courage has met bombshells. Mukhtar Amai represents the story of hundreds of guiltless girls. Killing of Shahdev Khan. A cruel lesson to anyone who stands up for justice. A place where Munib and Moeed are beaten with utmost harshness. Mother of Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Insaf, Zahra Shah is laid to rest after a brutal murder. Long forever on the throne.
जहाँ सदाकतों के खौफ से खुद अपनी समाजों को हरदमी की सीसा पिलाई हुई दीवार में चुन दिया जाए, जहाँ सोच अपनी जात के हिसाब से एक कदम भी बाहर निकले तो उसके पांव जलने लगे। सदर आली वकार ऐसे में जुर्मे ज़ईफ़ी की सजा मर के मुबादात भी हुआ करती है कि जहाँ इंसान